Okay. Well, thanks everyone for coming. We do have a quorum. It's just after 12, so we'll start. So the first item on the agenda is the approval of IDA meeting minutes from last month. So if I can have a motion to approve.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carried. So Erica, next is the financial statements.
Sure, so you'll notice they're unaudited at this point. We usually wait until the next meeting to actually go through approvals. So I'll go through them, but we won't need a motion today. If you take a look at the balance sheet, the cash is down $90,258 due to net loss for the month, offset by depreciation and collection on notes. Accounts receivable is up $30,000. That's for Hillside's third and fourth quarter. Accounts payables up $17,987. That's due to year-end payables, of which $13,000 was website work that was done. Total long-term liabilities are down $34,216 due to the GASB 68 entries booked for the audit. Net income, there's a net loss of $78,898 for the month. We're still at a $61,000 surplus positive for the year to date. Okay, and then the income statement, we have $30,000 of income for the month. That's the Hillside, I mentioned third and fourth quarter. Expenses increased from the prior year, approximately $110,000 in expenses for the month of December. The three largest expenses this month were payroll, which was $25,000, which some of that was Bob's vacation payout. Professional of $93,000 and marketing of $72,000. Other income, we had $1.4 thousand in interest, and other expenses, there were none for the current month. Other income and expenses are down from the prior year due to the sale of the depot.
Anyone have any questions for Erica? Next, go to committee appointments. So for the IDA committee appointments, for the IDA Governance Committee, it's between myself, Valerie Bassett, and Tom Kime. For the IDA Audit Committee and the IDA Finance Committees, they're both the same. I want to thank Menzo for volunteering to be on the Audit and Finance Committees. So thank you for that. And so with that, it's between Erica, Menzo, and Tom Kime on both committees. So next on the list is the resolution for Finger Lakes Agronomics.
Yep.
So Pat, if you give us a summary of the public hearing and
In your packet was the draft final resolution for the Finger Lakes Agronomics. For their project was the acquisitions of lots 3, 4, and 5 at Deer Run, for the construction of the dry and liquid fertilizer buildings, a seed distribution facility, an equipment storage building, and an office building with a scale house. A public hearing was held on Thursday, January 30th, and there were no written or oral comments received at the hearing. They're asking for a mortgage recording tax exemption and a pilot. And that information was forwarded to you in your packet. Rob, do you have anything to add to that?
No, I don't think so. Any questions?
I guess any sort of questions from the board?
Has anything changed since they did their presentation to us?
No.
No. It's just taken longer than originally anticipated.
He hopes to break ground in March, he told me.
So if there's no other further discussion, like a motion to approve the IDA resolution.
I'll make a motion.
Second,
Second.
so roll call.
Mr. Russo?
Yes.
Mrs. Policelli?
Yes.
Mr. Shipley?
Yes.
Mr. Case?
Yes.
Ms. Bassett?
Yes.
Mr. Wadums?
Yes.
Mr. Keim and Mr. Trout absent, motion carried.
Now, other business? I don't think there's
If not,
anything else that came up. So, there's another fairly quick, easy. So, as you know, last month we talked about, did a little summary on the Hillside campus, and that Fisher Associates was going to do a good evaluation of the property. So everyone here has received a summary of that. So because of that, I request a motion to enter into executive session for discussion of the proposed sale or lease of real property, which is the Hillside campus in the town of Eric, where publicity could substantially affect the value thereof. So motion to go into executive session?
So moved.
Second. All in favor?
Aye.
Anyone opposed? So in executive session.